clean the floor. Come on, clean the floor. Good job. Clean up all the banana. Oh, yeah. Good job. Upsies, kaboom. I keep cleaning. Yeah, you better scrub it so that there's no banana on the floor. You wouldn't want banana.
Banana.
Yeah, banana. Did you smush the banana on the floor? On the floor, yeah. Did you smush the banana on the floor? Yeah. But are you cleaning it up now? Clean. Yeah, good job cleaning. Wow, what a big girl I have. She helps me out so much. She's a good cleaner. Keeps our house so nice and clean. Say goodbye. Miriam. Miriam, say goodbye.